In this Builderall tutorial, I'll show you how to create an email list, email sequence, and connect it to your landing page or sales funnel. Alright, so I don't need this page, so I'll close it. So we're gonna go to the main page, click on MailingBoss, autoresponder. So create a new subscriber list. Alright, so description, I will say alright, so this is my description, but you can choose to write something simple. Continue. So this is the name and the display name and description. So for opt-in, we have double opt-in, and for opt-out, we have double opt-out. So I'll go for single opt-in because with the changes in Gmail right now, most of the emails are not going to the primary tab and they end up in promotional tabs. Okay, so I prefer to go with single opt-in. Your prospect will not have to confirm and all that, because if the email if mostly it's gonna end up in promotional tabs and stuff, they're not gonna even see it to confirm it. Okay, so this is how I go about it. Opt out, I'll go single. If they wanna opt out, that's fine. So next, now it's because I chose the single opt-in, it's asking me to take some few steps. Enter the URL with the lead registration. Go back here, so click on the three dots, go to website page, highlight everything, right click, copy, and move over, because this is the main page that people are gonna land on. Okay, so the server wanna know if this is a genuine page. Okay, so go back, sorry. All right, so paste it here. All right, so this is it, and you have to give reason. Please justify the need for single opt-in in your list. I need a single opt-in due to the competitive market of this niche. Then you click on continue. Your form has been successfully saved. List custom fields. You need just the email or you want with first name and last name. It's up to you. So whatever you have here, it's gonna populate on the email form. So scroll down. It's gonna be email first, then the first name, which is wrong. This should be 1. Then the first name will be 0. Okay, so let me save changes. Okay, so now you have 2 fields. Click on it, and when you scroll down, so first name, the email address. So you see how it says require no, you have to choose yes. Okay, then you scroll down again, then you click save changes, so they cannot jump any of it. All right, so moving on, I'll show you how to create the email sequence. This campaigns, email sequence, then create new. So name it. So I'm gonna name it. All right, so I'll choose the list, and this is the list. Don't worry about segment. Okay, this is advanced stuff. All right, so leave it. So this email list is new. Okay, and you don't have anybody in there, no subscriber yet. That's why it says 0 subscribers. So in that case, you choose send to future subscribers only. But if you have, let's say you have a couple of subscribers here already, you have to choose send to current and future subscribers, which means those who are on the list already will get the message, or they will get the email sequence that you are about to set up, and also those who will subscribe in future. Okay, but in our case, we'll use this is new, so we'll click on send to future subscribers only. All right, then you click save. First email, what's the subject? So the message, so click on this, highlight everything. I'll highlight this, click here, and I'll click on the link. So here I'm going to have to drop my affiliate link. Then I'll click save. Just to make it stand out. Next, you need to click on the timing. The time unit, I will change it to minutes. Okay, because you want them to get this right away. If not, you can choose, let's say, an hour later. But I prefer to go minute, then save changes. Okay, then last but not least, you click on play. So now this is active. And you click done again. This is the first email. So to create another one, you're gonna just click on add email. But as you can tell, here it says pause already, which means it's playing. So you don't need to click on it. You only click on it when you see the play button. If you see this sign, that means it's playing. So everything is good to go. You can create more if you want, okay? But in my case, I don't want to do anymore. I'll just stop here for the sake of the tutorial, okay? Alright, so I'm done with it. So right now it's linked to our email list. Okay, so I'll close it because I'm done with it. Close. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the landing page. Alright, actually I don't need this. I'll close it. Go to the main page, which is the landing page. So now we're gonna link everything. Alright, so click on it and click edit element. Push this up. This is why I like Windows, because you can grab it compared to Apple. So click general settings. So scroll down, we need to look for the button and the headline. Okay, I don't know why they say that instead of buttons. See how it says register now? We're gonna change it to click to sign up. All right. Okay. Then I'll click on save. So the edges are white. So I'll go back. Border, yeah. So close it and let's see. All right, then you click save. Close it. All right, so now we're gonna link the email list and the email sequence. So click on it, set list. Okay, this, and this is the list. Make money on YouTube. Click save. So like I told you earlier on, it has auto-populate the exact field we have on the email list. I'll add a security message here, so click this, or you know what I'll do, I'll just close it, click on this, clone, then click save. So the last thing to do is to connect the affiliate link and click on link. Alright, so when people subscribe, where do you want them to go? So first, if you have a confirm page or a page you would like to share with them first, like a warm-up page and stuff, you're gonna drop it here. Then after, your affiliate link will come here, but in most cases they have to go click it from the page that you are sending them, because there should be a link on the page you are sending them to that would send them to your final page. But in case, remember I chose single opt-in. With single opt-in, affiliate link here and affiliate link here once again, because they don't have to confirm anything. Okay, so I'll click on it and make sure it's on web, not page, and I'll click, then I'll repeat the same thing here. So click no action, drop it here, scroll down and click select one more time, then unsubscribe confirm. When people decide to leave, they can leave. I don't need any action from them. So click save and click save again. Since this is a major change, what I would advise you to do is wait for like a minute to 3 minutes for the system to do its thing. Then you're gonna go back here and you're gonna click republish again. Okay, so whenever you make a major change, don't forget to do this. Okay, so click republish. All right, so we're gonna go back to the page again. So now it's time to optimize to the mobile version. So to do that, click on the mobile. All right, so this is the main page, so click move up, click on it again. Okay, so click on the subtitle, move up, click on it again, move up. Go back, I will save it when I come back here. Make sure you save. So let's check one more time just to make sure everything is good. The tablet version is basically a preview of the mobile version, but still I would like to check it. Okay, so let's go back to the main page. Alright, so I'll click save one more time. It takes some few seconds whenever you click save to activate. Then click republish, wait 5 minutes, then we're gonna test everything. Click on the 3 dot signs, go to website page. Alright, so you see why I asked you to wait for 5 minutes. I tried to check about a minute time and this is what I got. So I'll wait and after 5 minutes I'll check again. So after 5 minutes I'll refresh it. Everything is good, so you just have to be patient with this thing, don't rush it. Okay, all right, so to test it, enter the first name, email address and click sign up. So you see, so it brings me straight to the webinar page. So the prospect will go through all this. Alright, so I'll close this since you all know it's working, and I'll go to MailingBoss. Click on MailingBoss. Now we have to find out if the list is working, and I'll click on list, click on list again. Alright, so this is the list. Make money on YouTube, and let's check the subscriber. Boom, everything is active and it says confirmed. This is why I like the single opt-in. Let's check my email and find out if I have an email message. So to do so, I'll open a new page. I have it inside my primary box. This is what you want, and this is why I opt for single opt-in, because I don't know what Google has done and all the emails are going to promotional tabs. As you can tell, Pinterest message and see it's in promotion tabs, and I'll click on it. Thanks for subscribing to the Make Money on YouTube campaign. It's a pleasure to have you join this stream. So click here to access. Alright, so I'll close this since you all know it's working. The address here will be your business address. Please don't use your home address. Alright, it's no good. So as you can tell, everything is working. So if you find value in it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I wish you all the best, and thanks for watching to the end. Be consistent and you will make it. Peace out.